got me 3 fun in the suns.
Sue said it was, Sue said the parking lot was full at 9 a.m. this morning and they were lined up at the door at 9 a.m.
Here we go.
What are you taking a picture of?
My hometown. Nice shot of the look of the water tower. No.
So who had to work this weekend then?
All I saw was Sue and Doris and I didn't even see anyone from either of them.
Doris.
You see, Cameron, when I'm at home, I like to watch these things, you know.
I'm like,
Because it breaks me out of my homesick feeling.
Do you need anything?
Yeah. Who are we phoning? What number?
Either Jamie's or mine. Mine right in the middle of the table, just in case Jamie
Well,
can't answer.
Sam's is the local.
It's just that, Cameron, I get a homesick feeling when I'm back at
Why don't
home.
you shoot a video of
This is a video.
Oh.
This is on video.
Just to put away.
There we go.
Some more under Jamie.
Yep.
There we are.
Look at the big hospital.
Yep.
The camera.
Wow.
How do I have a jump seat?
That's what they're called.
Oh, there's a lovely little thing here. Now this is really something.
4866?
Welcome to Parry Sound, home of Bobby Orr. Yeah, we're
Want
gonna
to see where Zooter's store is, Joe?
Yes, I do. So I can give them.
It's right up here.
Yep. Oh, there's my grandma's old property, and there's that protest sign. Who knew my grandma's old property would become useful someday? There it is. Yeah.
He's probably still at home. Okay, what's your number, Trace? What?
Now the good shot's coming up in a minute. There we are, the CBR trestle. This is the best part about coming into Parry Sound. There's the magnificent CBR trestle.
Hey, what about the Bobby Orr?
Maybe on the way back.
There's a park.
I'm going in with her, Pat.
Okay.
The Royal. There's the Royal.
That's the spot right there.
No.
I've been in the
Nobody
Royal.
answered
Nobody answered mine either?
it. No.
There's the barber shop where I used to get my hair cut.
Oh well.
Are you just gonna move the camera around now?